Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enter a referral code in TikTok. First things first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, tap on profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, on your profile page, look at the top left corner. You should see a small icon, usually shaped like a coin or sometimes marked with a letter P. That's your TikTok rewards button. Tap on that icon and it'll take you straight to your TikTok rewards page. This is where you can invite friends, check your earnings, and enter referral codes. Now, here's a tricky part. You can only enter a referral code within the first 24 hours after creating your account. So if your account is older than that, you won't see the option anymore. Let's say you just created your TikTok account using a link your friend sent you. You'll find an option here that says enter referral code. Just tap that option, paste your friend's referral code, and confirm. Once you do, both you and your friend will earn points or rewards, depending on your region. If you don't see the referral code option, don't worry. That usually means your 24-hour window has passed or the rewards program isn't available in your country yet. So, to recap, open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the rewards icon, and if you're a new user, paste your friend's code right there. Just make sure you do it within that first day. And that's it. That's how you enter a referral code in TikTok. Simple, right? If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more TikTok guides, and I'll see you in the next one.